Hey there, iPhone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your Apple devices. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view burst photos on your iPhone in 2025. If you've ever held down the shutter button to capture fast action shots, like a kid's birthday party or a sports event, you've probably taken burst photos without even realizing it. These are a series of rapid shots that help you pick the perfect one. But how do you actually view and manage them? Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. This ensures you have all the newest features. Open up the Photos app, which is that colorful icon on your home screen. Once you're in, head over to the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Bursts or something similar. Apple might have tweaked the interface, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap on the Bursts album, and you'll see a grid of your burst photo sets. Each one will show a preview of the images taken in that burst. Select the burst you want to view by tapping on it. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a screen with multiple thumbnails from that burst sequence. At the bottom, there might be options like Select or Favorites to help you choose the best shot. To pick your favorite, simply tap on the photos you like, and you can either keep them all or delete the ones you don't need. If you're in a hurry, iPhone's Smart Selection feature might even suggest the sharpest image for you. Just look for the yellow highlight. This is a game changer for 2025, as Apple has improved burst photo editing with AI enhancements for better auto selection. Once you're done, hit Done in the top right corner, and your choices will be saved. That's it. You've now mastered viewing burst photos. Remember, burst mode is perfect for action shots, so experiment with it next time you're out and about. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.